Today, I attached a mini keychain camera to my RC plane. I have a little piece of Velcro on here with a hole in the middle so I can still remove the SD card and access the charging spot. And then here I have a patch of Velcro to put it on. Slap it on, hit record and go. Here are the results. Keychain camera on the plane. Keychain camera on the plane. Hey guys, thank you for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any thoughts you'd like to share, make sure to leave a comment.